Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to your hide friend list in 2026. First open your Facebook app. Now tap on three dot line, scroll down, tap on setting and privacy. Again tap on setting. Now scroll down and find audience and visibility. Here tap on how people can find and contact you. Here tap on who can see your friend list. Now tap on only me and save it. That's it. Now your friend list is completely hide. Like, share and